Welcome to Tepotzotlán.
We talk until 2, and then she said, it's time for dinner.
Tepotzotlán is a very beautiful, small, quaint town, about 45 to an hour away from Mexico City.
So we can get Uber there, but coming back is hard.
It was very easy to get here. We took an Uber, that's about it. Unfortunately, when we went to Mexico City, it was during the 2 weeks lockdown. So many state and province in Mexico were actually closed. So there are no dine-in, but you're allowed to do takeout and delivery. Whatever you see on the video right now seems a little bit empty, but Mexico City is currently open. If you have a chance to go over there and visit, it will be full of people. Someone is dying. Hi guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. And I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.